welcome to the Foolish Kitchen. Today's victim is a Midland Pottery Sanito earthenware bowl, and I believe this is the one that had a lid. It doesn't have a lid, but then again, you know, if you were 120 years old, you might not have a lid either. Anyways, it seems to be an unglazed pottery that they were selling, and you got like 6 big pieces for $2.50. And obviously this is normal. I mean, basically from normal use it would just get darker and darker, and that's fine. But I want to use it for a bread bowl, and I'm just wondering how clean can I get it. And if I don't get it all the way clean, that's perfectly fine. But I'm very surprised that the inside does not have tons of crazing. I'm like, as a little bit, very slight, but not as bad as I would have imagined. Using this. And this is just your baking soda and water. Let's see what we can get done. Let's see what wants to leave. I mean, I'm sure that this has been washed up really well, but that's pretty good. You know, if I could just get the blackness off, I'd be happy with whatever we find underneath. So, let's see what we can do. Well, it definitely does hold the heat in. Just washing it in hot water, some warm water, it's still holding the heat. And that's as clean as I'm going to get it, except for that spot. I'm going to work on that. And you can tell that this was mass produced. It has lots of character. It has divots and uneven finishes. It doesn't have much abuse. I mean, aside from the cover being missing. I mean, maybe somebody just parked this next to a wood stove or something. But this was just baking soda and the scrub brush. And we have this one spot. Obviously, it was a drip from underneath the lid. I want to see if we can get at that with a little barkeeper's friend and toothbrush. I don't want to use any metal on this. This is unglazed. The outside isn't shiny. The inside is shiny, and that's what's leading me to want to use it as a bread bowl. I want the drips on this thing. If I can't get it off, that's okay. I'm thinking about going, I probably just could have left this soaking overnight and all that gook would have come right off. I think I should get up. Yeah, nothing in life has any business being perfect. It's a new toe. Midland pottery. Seems to be from the 1880s through the 1910s, probably as far as World War I, but couldn't find that much information on it. It's from Zanesville, Ohio, so they probably merged with McCoy and bigger companies, because it does have the same mold as a McCoy, doesn't it? It has that same swoop, and I don't know, it just gives out the vibe. So I'll see if I can get some bread going in it.